Hello guys, in this video we'll walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install and set up Runrun.it Actions Automation for workflow apps. Once on your account, head over to App Marketplace, click on it, search for the app and click on it. Click on install, click on allow and install. Once your app has installed, you're going to refresh your tab and click on the custom page. Then the interface of the app is going to pop up where you have access to your documentation. Under the tutorials, you're going to have access to a Smartcue video that is going to serve as a guideline on how to get the necessary credentials to set up the app. We equally have the setup. We notice that our app haven't yet been connected. But no worries, we're going to walk you through on how to connect and set up the app. First thing, head over to your account online. Once you're here, click on the settings icon. From the drop-down menu, click on Integrations and App. Scroll down. On API and webhooks, you're going to click on Open. There we go. We can get our token. We are going to click to view. Copy your API token. Copy your app token. Head over back to your account. Click on Start Setup. Paste your app key or app token. Head over back to your account online. Copy your user token. Head over back to your account and paste your user token. Once you're done, click on Complete Setup. There we go. Our app has successfully been connected and set up. We equally have the support center. At the level support center, you can create a ticket for our support team or you can book a call with our support team. We have the changelog. At the level of changelog, you're going to see the necessary notifications concerning the new updates and the changes of this app. In order for it to you're going to toggle on the notification button, enter your email, and that's it. I hope this tutorial helped you. If you need any help, our support team is here for you 24/7. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.